All of you please sit in a prayerful posture. Breathe in, breathe out. And you can start with your class prayer. Yes, slowly you can open your eyes. I'll just share the screen with you. Please watch and listen carefully. Water is one of the vital elements found on the earth. Vital means important. The sun's heat causes evaporation of water into vapor. When the water vapor cools down, it condenses and forms clouds. From there, it may fall on the land or sea in the form of rain, snow, or sleet. Can you see, students? Okay. Thank you. The process by which water continually changes its form and circulates between oceans, atmosphere, and land is known as the water cycle. So you can see the diagram here. Insolation due to the heat of sun, then evaporation takes place and the clouds are formed, condensation is there, and then the precipitation, rain comes. So that is insolation, evaporation, condensation, and precipitation. The types of water, that is fresh water and saline water, that is salty water, fresh water and saline water, sea water. The oceans of the world are Pacific Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Indian Ocean, Southern Ocean, and Arctic Ocean. You can write, students, Pacific Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Indian Ocean, Southern Ocean, and Arctic Ocean. So these are the 5 oceans of the world. Distribution of water bodies on the earth. 3/4 of the earth's surface is covered by water. So the 3/4 of the earth's surface is covered by water. The major sources of fresh water are the rivers, ponds, springs, and glaciers that constitute about 2.7% of the total water present on the earth. The ocean bodies and the seas contain salty or saline water, which is about 97.3% of total water present on the earth. So 97.3% is saline water, whereas 2.7% of water is fresh. Salinity is the amount of salt in grams present in 1000 grams of water. The average salinity of the ocean is 35 parts per thousand. Dead Sea in Israel has salinity of 340 grams per liter of water. Swimmers can float in it because the increased salt content makes it dense, thick. March 22nd is celebrated as World Water Day, when the need to conserve water is reinforced in different ways. So it's very important, children, to conserve water, to save water. You can see the picture here: waves, tides, and currents. This is the ocean circulation. Waves, when the water on the surface of the ocean rises and falls alternately, they are called as waves. And waves are formed when the wind sprays across the ocean surface. The stronger the wind blows, the bigger the wave becomes. You might have seen in pictures the waves, tides, the rhythmic rise and fall of ocean water twice a day is called as a tide. It is high tide when water covers much of the shore by rising to its highest level. And it is low tide when water falls to its lowest level and recedes from the shore. It goes back to the sea. Causes of tides. Now these are the causes, how the tides are caused. The strong gravitational pull exerted by the sun and the moon on the earth's surface causes the tides. So tides are caused by the gravitational pull exerted by the sun and the moon. The water of the earth closer to the moon gets pulled under the influence of the moon's gravitational force and causes high tide. When the moon is in its first and last quarter, the ocean waters get drawn in diagonally opposite directions by the gravitational pull of sun and moon, resulting in low tides. Ocean currents. Ocean currents are streams of water flowing constantly on the ocean surface in different directions. So ocean currents are streams of water flowing constantly on the ocean surface in different directions, in definite directions. The ocean currents may be warm or cold. Generally, the warm ocean currents originate near the equator and move towards the poles. The cold currents carry water from polar or higher latitudes to tropical or lower latitudes. Warm and cold ocean currents. So you can see in the picture diagram here, the red arrows and the blue arrows. Red are warm and blue are cold currents. So I hope children you have understood about water and its circulation. Let us just revise now. What is saline water? You can raise up your hand. Samanya? Yes, Samanya?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, it is the salty water.
Found in
Rivers.
rivers,
No, ma'am. Ocean. Sorry.
oceans and seas. Okay. What are the different sources of fresh water? Different sources of fresh water. Niharika?
Ma'am, lakes, rivers, ponds, underground water
Okay. Okay.
are different sources of fresh water.
Okay.
Thank you, ma'am.
What is the importance of oceans? Importance of oceans. Vedika? Vedika Verma? Importance of oceans. Unmute yourself. Diksha? Yes, Diksha?
Yes, ma'am.
Importance of oceans.
Ma'am, oceans play a very important role in the process of water cycle.
Yes.
And ma'am, they also support the marine life.
Okay.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, can you please tell the meaning of sleet?
Pardon?
Ma'am, sleet.
That is, are you saying what sleet? SL?
Yes, double ET.
Okay. It's a mixture of rain and snow.
Okay, ma'am.
It's a mixture of rain and snow.
Snow.
Both the things
Okay,
together.
ma'am.
Okay, what
Thank
is
you, ma'am.
what is tsunami? Yes, Vanchika?
Yes, ma'am.
Tsunami.
Ma'am, tsunami are referred to be as a huge tidal waves which come in oceans. They
Due to
cause earthquakes also.
because of the earthquakes underground. Okay.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay. The different types of movements of ocean water. What are the different types of movements in ocean water? Gurmanjot?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, please name the different types of movements
Ma'am, waves and currents.
and tides.
Okay.
Waves, tides, and currents. Okay.
Current.
What are spring tides? What are spring tides? Okay, Manat. Manat Sharma. Spring tides. Unmute, hurry up yourself.
Ma'am, the moon and the sun exert their combined gravitational pull in the same direction, resulting in extra high tides. These are called spring
Spring
tides.
tides. Okay. Okay, thank you. Neap tides. What are neap tides? Yes, Akarshita.
Ma'am, very low tides during the first and third quarters of the moon.
Okay, thank you. So children, I hope you've understood the water cycle and different movements of the ocean. So please revise, mark the answers in the book. Thank you and take care.